starving. Thank God we're here.
Oh, my back is killing me from all that driving. 450 miles without stopping. I could use a cold beer right now.
I just want to get back to the hotel. Is there anyone here? Hello?
Nope.
Okay. To be honest, this place did not get the best scores for service on Yelp, but it is the only place that's open in town, according to Google Maps. So.
Well, look at the view. It's really pretty. I mean, we might as well take a seat and look at the menu. Can't hurt, right? I mean, look at that. Hi.
Hey,
Hi, welcome to Rose's. Sorry, I was held up in the back with a refrigeration issue. But I see you found our table. Right. And so I can go ahead and get you started with some drinks.
Oh yeah, I would I'd love a cold beer.
And I would like a Diet Coke, please.
Do you have some kombucha or something, please?
Come again?
Kombucha? Don't tell me, I'm sorry, don't tell me you don't know what kombucha is.
I don't have any idea what that is.
It's like a fermented tea.
Like yogurt?
No. Okay, all right, never mind. I will just have some orange juice.
Orange juice. Oh, yeah, well, I can't really get you orange juice right now. You can imagine it's very difficult to get perishable things like that in the wilds of Blaine. So I'm out of orange juice in the moment.
You don't have any juice?
I do not.
Oh my God, I told you, this place did not get good reviews, but, okay, I guess I will just have water.
Water. And, geez, sir, about that cold beer, I'm afraid, well, our liquor licensing didn't quite go through. You can imagine how cumbersome and expensive it is, so I'm actually not going to be able to do you a beer today.
You gotta be kidding, no alcohol.
I wish I were kidding, believe me. But yeah, no, I can't do that.
Oh, well, I guess I'll have a soda.
Right, okay, so that's 2 sodas and, oh, one thing about the sodas. See, our delivery truck was bombing down the highway and boom, a slide just knocked out the road. That slide was triggered by a goat that was spooked by a helicopter. It's a sad story. Really long story, but anyway, I can't really do a soda for you either right now.
Okay, no beer, no soda, then what do you have?
Do I have water?
Water. Well, okay, I guess we'll have water then.
It's hydrating, it does body good.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you go ahead and look at the menu and I'll be back in a flash.
Yeah, it's been a long ride.
Okay.
Jeez, what a place to live this must be. Nothing to drink but water?
Well, you know, I think it's kind of quaint and charming. I mean, we're not in Seattle anymore, so, well, and that Instagram influencer, she said it was off the beaten path.
Mom, off the beaten path, this place is like stuck in 1999. I mean, they literally don't even know what kombucha is.
Honey, nobody knows what kombucha is, all right? And 1999 was a great year, all right? Look, at least they have food. Look at that. Wild caught seafood. I know what I'm having.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay, and are we ready to order?
Yes, there's a little dust on.
Quite a hot button issue, but more about that later. Anyhow, you know what you'd like?
Yes, I'll have the king salmon, please, with some potatoes and a side of onion rings.
Great choice, excellent choice. But one thing about the king salmon, turns out our fishery has been closed for the past couple of years. You know, what with the seiners and ocean acidification and temperature fluctuation of the ocean itself and the whole planet. And, you know, we really don't know what the Fukushima's going on with that. So, I could suggest some halibut.
Yeah, halibut. Yeah, that sounds great. I'll take some halibut.
Great, great. And for you, beautiful?
Oh, I would love a cheeseburger, please. And could I have a side salad?
We are famous for our burgers here at Rose's. And side salad, what kind of dressing would you like? Right, yes. yes, we have ranch, and we also have, no, we have ranch.
Okay, I guess I'll have ranch, although I wouldn't normally order that.
Well, you know, you're on vacation. Oh, one thing about the lettuce, it turns out it was on the same truck as the Coke, so I can't really get your lettuce right now.
So, a side salad without lettuce? What is that?
That's a bowl of ranch.
And for you, young lady?
Yeah, so I am actually not seeing anything vegetarian on here. Do you have anything without meat?
Yeah, right here on the back, we've got chicken.
Okay. Sorry, I said vegetarian.
Oh, well, then there's the salmon, too.
Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, you just told him that you don't have salmon.
Touche, right, okay, yes.
Salmon is also meat, but I guess that doesn't matter. So, can I just have like a quesadilla or something, please?
I'm sorry, we don't do ethnic food here at But you know, it is a pretty conservative town with traditional values, so we keep it pretty simple here.
Quesadilla.
No.
Okay, stop. Okay, all right. I will just have some pasta then. Some pasta, spaghetti.
Yeah, I'm sorry, no ethnic food.
All right. I'm starving. They're starving. We have been driving all day. We tried to stop at Fast Eddie's. You know how that went. Okay. And now I am so hungry. So can you please bring me something without meat and no chicken? Because that's meat, and so is salmon, and so is whatever halibut is. I don't even know what that is. So
It's
can you
white
please-
gold, by the way.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. Can you please just bring me anything without meat? Can you do that for me?
Well, let me think. I suppose we could do a burger, but hold the beef.
So a bun.
With fries.
Okay. I will have a hamburger bun with fries. That
Right. And are you going to want pickle on the side with that?
I don't care.
Go. Bring her the pickle. She has to have something green on her plate.
Amen, Mama. And are you going to want to add bacon for an extra $2?
My God, what part of vegetarian do you not understand?
So that's a yes?
No, that is a no. That is a no to bacon.
Okay, all right. Well, I'll go ahead and get that in, folks. Enjoy.
Okay. What is happening in this town? I mean, you heard that, right? They said pasta is ethnic food?
Italiano.
Look at this. Okay, all
Glacier
right.
water.
I'm sorry. No, well, there's nothing in here, first of all. And second of all, why on earth, Mother, did we even decide to come to Blaine's in the first place?
Well, that influencer, she said it was like a hidden gem of Alaska, and you know, she was really convincing, and that outfit she had on was perfect.
It was pants. It was just pants.
But she had those really cute rubber boots on. I mean, I want her.
I'd like to pair those two.
Okay, look, the food might not be very good, but let's just have dinner, we'll go and check in the hotel, and then tomorrow, we'll go to that park with all the bears. You really like that, right?
Wait.
What is it?
Oh my God, there was an avalanche on the road to go to the lake.
Oh, no.
Okay, it says that it could take days to clear it off. It's the only road that goes to that lake, so no, I don't think that we're gonna get to see any bears.
Oh. Yeah, like I am starting to regret this. Look, where is our food? I am starving.
I'm starving.
Where is our water? I am thirsty.
Do something!
Excuse me, hello. I'd like to get some water, please.
Yes, sir, about the water, it turns out we've just got our pipes tested and the results aren't so good. We've got too high levels of plutonium and uranium, and so anyway, it wouldn't be safe, so I can't really do water for you right now.
no water. They said the pipes are bad. Something about Blamzonium or something.
Water!
Look, this is a disaster. I think we need to leave.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look, there's rocks everywhere and, oh my God,
Okay,
it's
no,
another avalanche.
We're locked in here!
No, we're stuck. Hey, there's like rocks.
No, okay, so I'll give you, science alert, the tectonostratigraphic terracing combined with orographic effect of atmospheric rivers lends itself to quite a bit of instability here in Blaines. Anyway, it's about your burger.
My bun?
Well, yeah, so the chef said that actually it's impossible. He can't do it. The price is fixed and he's kind of an artist. It's not gonna be possible. Apparently he has a beef with the no beef.
No. Okay, I'm sorry. Impossible? It's a hamburger bun. Can you please just bring me a hamburger bun?
I would if I could. I can't do it.
Okay. I'm sorry. This is crazy. And what do you mean the chef? Aren't you the chef?
Yes.
Is there anyone else here? Is there anyone? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna deal with this. I'm gonna go find a manager.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
We'd like to speak to the manager.
Hello?
You have the phone number of the manager. I can see her right now. If you don't talk to her, we're going to call the police. How do you like that? You were running back and forth here. You got no picture. You got no drinks. There's no booze. There's not one single beer in this restaurant.
And I don't care about the pickle. What the hell is going on here?
Okay, first of all, that is a lot of aggression. Second of all, folks, I'm really sorry about all of the confusion that I have caused you today. The truth is, I don't work here. Rose's restaurant has not been open in years. Actually, I mean, as if COVID wasn't bad enough as economic Chernobyl. The truth is that the population in Blaines is so old that we can't get anybody to run a grill. It's hard work for people who are 70 years old. You know what I'm saying? And so, I would get you. Okay, so that's. I usually come here. I just hang out on my day off, and practice a little bit. And, okay, all right. This is. I know I sound ridiculous, don't I? The truth is, I don't have anywhere else to live. I am a person experiencing temporary houselessness. Thank you very much. Okay, are you recording me?
Yeah.
It's going to be on Instagram.
Yeah.
Right now.
Well, so I mean, here's the deal. If I could live somewhere else, I would, but I can't find anywhere besides, a radial bus or a yurt of questionable legality here. And I'm actually a decent cook. That thing with the oven, not my fault. Anyway, so I would, but I can't cook you anything because the last tsunami caused by a Seish effect, whatever, was, took out our cargo dock. So now we don't have any shipments.
Oh my God, Lucy, what did you do to us? We are literally going to starve to death inside of a restaurant with this person in Blaines, Alaska.
Wait, are you telling me you have nothing at all to feed us, no food at all?
I don't have any food here
Oh my
at all to feed you. However, there is a bar right down the street, open 24/7.
Yeah, but we're trapped in here.
No, actually, we're trapped at the front door, but I can get out the back, and I know the bartender. Let's go.
Beer has a counter. So.
That is the last time that I will trust an influencer.
Oh my God, Mom, it is influencer. Let's just go.